In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit in TradingView Pro. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have TradingView Pro active on the chart you're using. Having Pro gives you access to more tools and indicators, which is what we need for this setup. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for and add almost any tool available on TradingView. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. This is where you're going to look up the Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit. Start typing Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit slowly and clearly. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below based on what you've entered. Give it a moment for the list to update. You should see different indicators appear that match what you're typing. When you see Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit in the results, move your cursor over it and click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You should notice new lines, levels, or drawings appearing, depending on how the toolkit is designed. At this point, the indicator is added, but you can also customize it if you want. To do that, hover over the name of the Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit in the list of active indicators, usually found at the top left of your chart. Click on the settings icon next to it. Here, you can adjust colors, visibility, and any input settings the creator has provided. Take a bit of time to tweak these options so they match your trading style and are easy for you to read. Now, if you don't yet have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more tools and features, check out the affiliate link in the description below. Using that link will take you directly to TradingView's Pro sign-up page. It's a convenient way to upgrade and support the channel at the same time. Once you've added and customized the Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit, you're ready to start using it in your analysis. That's all you need to do to get this indicator up and running in TradingView Pro.